Today we'll see what arithmetic operations can be performed with pointers. So, first of all, int a is equal to 10 and write some code. Int b is equal to 20. Int star p is equal to ampersand a. Int star q is equal to ampersand p. Now you tell me the output quickly. What will be a? What will be p? What will be star p? What will be the value of b, q and star p? So the value of a will be what? 10. The value of p is the address of a. So what is the address of a? What is the address of a? Consider two variables somewhere in the memory, a and b. The value of a is 10, the value of b is 20. Suppose the address is 709 and 711. Right? Or any address you can take, any hypothetical number, 7091, 71156, any number. This is just a random number. So, in this case, if those are the given numbers, given addresses, then the value of, what is the value of p? Because again, what must have happened when I wrote in star p, a p must have created somewhere. And again, there must be some memory location for this p. Suppose this is 81193. And what value we have assigned in p? The address of a, that is 71156. Right? So what would be the value of p? 71156. What is the value of star p? Asterisk p. Asterisk p means the value which is at this place. What is that place? 71156. So what is the value at this particular location? 71156. 10. So this will be 10. Similarly, this will be 20. This will be, the address of p is 7091 and q is 20. Any doubt? Right. Now you tell me, if I write here star p is equal to star p plus 50, then what will the value of a? Just a quick recap. We saw this in the last session. Star p means nothing but a, because the value present at this address, like the value present at this address. So 10 plus 50, a will be 60. Right? For your reference, this is q. Suppose this is 91167, any random number, and q is having the address of b, that is 709. Now if I write here p is equal to p plus 1, what will be happening? P means what? When I print p, it will display 71156. P plus 1, will it become 71157? No, because p is not a normal variable, it's an integer pointer. Sorry. So how much 2 bytes. So when we increase p by 1, it will be increased by 2, because if p is having 71156 means this location, and 71156 is the starting address of A, and how much space the A has occupied? 2 bytes, means 71156 first byte and 71157 second byte, right? So these 2 bytes are reserved for A. So anyhow when we increase this, when we add 1 into this address, it will be increased by 2, because as already this has reserved 2 bytes for itself, right? So the output will, in this case, what will be the value of P? 71158. Now you tell me, now if I want to print star P, now what P is having? 71158. What P is having? 71158. And this is not the address which we are using in our program. We have not, our any variable or our any command has not occupied this memory location. So there must be some value. This address is somewhere in the memory, but this is not an identified address by our program. So whatever value is present over there, that will be printed, and any value which is of not our use, it garbage value. So it will print some garbage value, because when I add 1 to the pointer variable, its memory location is shifted by 2 bytes. And when we change the memory location, and then I am trying to print the value present at that memory location, so that could be anything, right? Similarly, if I write here P minus 1, what was the value? 71156 minus 1 will make it how much? 71154, right? Now if I print here star P, means the value present at 71154, and 71154 is no their existence in our memory. So again we will print some garbage value, right? So we can add or we can subtract number in the pointer variable, right? If I'm sure that the very next byte is having some value which I need to access, then I can increase it. That thing we'll see in the case of array, because array is a contiguous memory location. So if the memory location of the first cell is 1, the memory location of the second will be 3 only. So that when we will see pointer with array, then we will discuss all those things. Now if I write here Q is equal to Q into 2, will it be possible? Yeah. Will it be possible? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Q into 2. What is the value of Q? 7091. That will multiply by 2. And whatever result becomes, that will be the output. That value will be equivalent to Q. No. Pointer variables does not allow us. Pointer variables do not allow us to perform multiplication or division, right? So we cannot multiply or we cannot divide any pointer variable with any other variable or any other constant. Right? So only addition and subtraction is possible with the pointer variables. I am telling you with the pointer variables, not with the values. Don't be confused. Star q is equal to star q into 2 is correct. Why? Star q means the value stored at this location, and when I talk about star q, it means 20. So 20 into 2, 40, and that will be stored at this location, means this value will be changed with 40. This line is correct, but q is equal to q into 2 is not correct, because this is a pointer variable, and asterisk q means the values, only q means addresses, right? So we can add something into address, we can subtract something from address, but we cannot multiply anything into address. We cannot divide address with any constant, any variable. Got it? So values you can change, value you can add into, subtract, multiply, divide, but with the address only addition and subtractions are possible. We cannot divide address by any variables, we cannot multiply address with any other variable or constant value. Correct? So thanks for watching. In our next session we'll see something more about pointer. Thank you.